If you are hoping the rising cost of things you buy, including food, gas, and used cars, will get better next year, a warning this evening that you may be in for some disappointment. Economists are painting a grim picture of the future as they size up the surging Omicron outbreak. Tarek is joining us now after speaking with a local expert. Tarek?
Well, inflation is likely here to stay for the long haul, according to financial experts who are hoping that a rise in the interest rates next year potentially could slow down the high prices of automobiles, homes, food, everyday items. A local economic expert says inflation could be a permanent trend. They may be smiling and cheering, but there's no real reason to celebrate today's stock market slide on Wall Street. The Dow closing down 433 points and oil prices dropping in the face of growing threats to the global economy. The latest variant of the coronavirus, the Omicron variant, is being blamed for the economic instability that bankers, investors, and everyday Americans had hoped would come to a halt.
Today's a pretty big tailspin because it throws a monkey wrench into what the Federal Reserve was planning to do.
Joe Cryer, who is the president of Iwi Trading LLC, says investors were hopeful that in the spring of 2022, inflation costs would decrease following the rollout of economic stimulus packages in 2020 and 2021. Instead, new COVID variants like the Omicron continue to cause concern, creating an unpredictable fiscal environment.
The idea was that all the stimulus money that came into everybody's pocketbooks would cause prices to go up for 6 or 8 or 10 months. And then once everybody kind of spent their extra money, prices would get back to normal. But what's happening is because it's been hard to get semiconductors and even help to staff restaurants and so forth, the prices of wages and materials have gone up.
With the Omicron variant now detected in most states, it's prompted the cancellation of high-profile events like Broadway shows and basketball games. It's reigniting fears for travelers during the holidays and causing some companies to rethink returning to their office full-time. From October 2020 to October 2021, during the height of COVID, the Consumer Price Index rose 6.2%, the most rapid 12-month increase in prices in more than 30 years. Cryer says, unfortunately, an increase in prices for everyday items may be a permanent trend.
Anything that's labor intensive and food would be in that category, that certainly stays higher for longer.
Supply chain issues and, of course, the new global travel restrictions have all added to the uncertainty about the economy. Tom?